From work?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, talk to me some more.
Nickel.
Yeah, talk to me.
Nickel.
He just looks like he's paying attention, doesn't he?
I know, like he's soaking everything in.
Uh-huh. Yeah. You're going to be a big old boy someday. Yeah. Can't even picture it, can you?
He's already changed so much.
Gonna play football. Yeah. Keep talking yourself in the nose. Yeah, you do. Yeah. Boy, he's strong.
Very.
Yeah.
Is that your brother, Devin?
Yes.
Do you like him at all?
Hi. Hello. Hello. Or what would you rather do? Because it doesn't matter.